Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And obviously I'm in the car. We're just stopping by my husband's grandparents' house to grab some stuff, and we have a few things we need to go do. Our fridge is looking kind of empty, so we need to restock a few items. And yeah, I don't have much planned because I have a test on Monday, so I need to do a lot of studying this weekend. That's the plan, so we're just gonna go and grab whatever we need today. I'm using this bag today that I recently purchased from Marshall's. Actually, was it Marshall's? Yeah, this was from Marshall's for 20 bucks, and it fits everything I need in here. It fits my camera, my phone, my wallet, and just little miscellaneous stuff in here. So I am so excited to have a bag that fits everything that I need. I got some vitamin B12 because I was reading all of the vitamin B deficiencies to match everything I'm dealing with, so I figure I should probably get some. So metabolism support looks like this. I get the Spring Valley. I think that's all Walmart really carries. Do you want one? Our air fryer is on. We're making some French fries. We haven't ate breakfast. We're gonna eat hot dogs with French fries, ketchup, relish, and mustard.
Great snack for
Oh shit. 夾佢要勁餓了. Oh, I can use it for my French fry.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend,
finished cleaning the living room and the kitchen, and now I need to do a load of laundry. And I haven't studied yet because my house is just so messy, and you guys know that when my house is really messy, it's really hard for me to focus because it's like a visual of what my mind looks like. I always have to clean the house before I do like a long study session. I wish you guys could see what it looks like outside right now. It's so pretty. The sun is starting to set, but then the clouds are like super dark because I think it's supposed to rain, but then you can still see some white clouds and a little bit of sunshine peeking through behind all of the dark clouds, and it's so pretty. I love it. It's just like a very moody weather scenery, so I love it so much. And I just want to take this moment to update you guys on how I've been feeling. I feel so much better now, and I am still trying to work on improving and making better decisions and just doing things that make me happy. And a lot of that comes down to time management and making sure that I am utilizing my time to do things that are actually beneficial for me. Like today, my house was so messy. My kitchen just had things everywhere. So I decided to clean the house because I know that it will, one, make me feel so much better, two, help me be more active instead of just sitting on the couch watching TV or scrolling through my phone. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about my life and how everything I have now was everything I wanted so much. Sometimes I catch myself thinking about how much I wanted my life to be the way it is right now just a few years ago, and it's so crazy how everything works out, and it just blows my mind. I just remember talking about this kind of stuff with my husband about what kind of life I wanted and the person I want to be and the kind of job I wanted to have, and all of this was in that conversation. Never would I thought my life would play out the way it did, becoming a homeowner, being married, and being in this position of trying to become a pharmacy technician and having all the things that I do today. It just blows my mind because I remember just talking about the struggles that I dealt with at that time and felt like I was never gonna see the light at the end of the tunnel, because even though every day feels like the same thing over and over, when you look back like years from now, you're gonna see all the difference and how much time has actually passed and how fast it actually goes by. I feel like it's so important to just really sit back and enjoy the moment and just really soak it all in, kind of like how I am right now, sitting on my living room floor and just enjoying the cleanliness of my house right now, because it just makes me so happy that I made it happen. I decided to prioritize what's more important for me and what's actually going to be beneficial for me mentally and make me feel better and make me have like a better mindset and just more positivity. And I just feel so good right now. Just this right here right now makes me so happy. And I'm trying to be better at enjoying the little things in life and not focus so much on the big picture and what I can't control. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. But yeah, I just wanted to share what I've been thinking about lately, and I hope whatever you are going through, just know that you will get through this. And even though it may be very hard, very difficult right now, whatever you're going through, just know that everything will pass and better days are coming, and you will get through this. We will both get through this, and I hope you are having a good day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.